Do you ever find yourself feeling frustrated? You faithfully pray to God every day, yet your manifestations seem to elude you. It's a common problem that many people face. But what if I told you that there's more to the power of prayer than meets the eye? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets behind effective prayers for manifestation. You see, prayers can be essential in connecting to a higher power, but if your requests to the divine are vague, the results may also be vague. Imagine sitting down to a delicious meal prepared with the right ingredients, each one playing a crucial role in creating the perfect flavor. Well, think of your prayers as a recipe. To enhance your manifestation journey, you need to add certain ingredients to your prayers. In this video, we'll reveal the missing ingredients to supercharge the power of your prayers. We'll guide you through the steps to send focused, precise requests to the divine, allowing your manifestations to materialize with greater clarity and speed. But I don't want to give too much away just yet. So be sure to watch until the end, because we're about to unveil the secrets that could change your entire manifestation game. If you're as excited as I am to uncover these hidden truths behind effective prayers for manifestation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release more empowering content. Get ready to delve into a world of possibilities as we unravel the mysteries of prayers and manifestation. I promise you won't want to miss it. Let's begin. In this segment, we will delve into the hidden truths that religions and institutions throughout history have kept from their followers. Many times, prayers have been portrayed as a transactional process, where God is seen as a vending machine in the sky, ready to grant our every wish. But the reality is far different. To truly understand the essence of prayer, we must first recognize that it is a profound connection through emotion and conversations with the universe. Rather than focusing solely on materialistic desires or wishing for specific outcomes, true prayer is about expressing gratitude and embracing a positive mindset. When we pray, we should aim to create an emotional dialogue with a higher power rather than approaching it solely from an intellectual standpoint. During your prayer practice, try using words that resonate with the emotional energy within yourself. For example, instead of addressing your prayer as "Dear God," consider using "Dear Universe" or a term that personally aligns with your beliefs. By doing so, you open up a deeper connection with the universe, allowing your prayers to be heard and understood in a profound way. Now let's bring these concepts to life with an example. Imagine you're seeking guidance and support in your search for a fulfilling career. Instead of asking for a specific job title or financial success, focus your prayer on expressing gratitude for the talents and opportunities that lie ahead. Connect with the deep emotions within yourself and have a heartfelt conversation with the universe, expressing your passion and dedication to finding the path that aligns with your true purpose. Remember, true prayer is not about treating the universe as a wish-granting machine, but rather engaging in a profound connection with gratitude, positivity, and genuine conversation. Through prayer, let us acknowledge and appreciate the wealth and prosperity already present in our lives, even if it may not be fully realized yet. Let's seek clarity and guidance from a higher power to help us discern our true passions and purpose in life. By asking for divine guidance, we open ourselves to receiving the insights and inspirations that will lead us towards aligning our goals with our authentic selves. Let us call upon our faith, trust, and wisdom from God to conquer any doubts or fears that may be holding us back from achieving the success we desire. Through prayer, we invite a sense of unwavering confidence and strength, knowing that we are supported by a higher power in every step we take. As we navigate this journey, it is important to recognize the boundless love of the universe, trusting that it will manifest everything we desire in accordance with our highest good. By surrendering to this love and flowing with its abundant energy, we allow ourselves to tap into the limitless possibilities that lie before us. While prayer is a powerful tool, it is equally important to strike a balance between taking action when necessary and having patience to let things unfold naturally. By cultivating a proactive attitude and seizing opportunities that arise, we align ourselves with the abundant flow of the universe. And by practicing patience, we trust that our intentions are being nurtured and brought to fruition in perfect timing. When engaging in prayer, it is essential to create a deep connection to the Spirit of God. Use prayer as a means to establish a profound relationship with the divine, tapping into its infinite wisdom and guidance. As you pray, speak out loud with specificity, detailing your intentions and desires. This not only helps to crystallize your goals, but also invokes a sincerity that resonates with the universal intelligence. Remember, it is important to align your thoughts and emotions with positive intentions. By consciously embracing a mindset of abundance, prosperity, success, love, and healing, you begin to attract these very qualities into your life. Express gratitude during your prayers, acknowledging the health, happiness, and financial situation you envision. By expressing thanks in advance, you create a powerful vibration of appreciation and allow these blessings to materialize. As you continue your prayer, speak out loud, saying thank you for these envisioned blessings. Through vocalizing your gratitude, you further strengthen the connection with the Spirit of God. And perhaps one of the most crucial aspects of manifestation prayers is to have unwavering belief. Truly believe that mountains can move, obstacles can crumble, and miracles can happen when harnessing this extraordinary power. Hold onto the belief that your prayers have the ability to manifest your desires. Trust that the divine power within you, combined with the force of your intention, can create remarkable transformations. And that concludes our discussion on the power of prayers and manifestation. We have explored how prayers can be essential in connecting to a higher power and manifesting our desires. By defining our intentions clearly, aligning our actions with our desires, and embracing gratitude and unwavering belief, we empower our prayers to manifest in their full potential. If you found this video helpful in deepening your understanding of prayer and manifestation, we would appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We value your thoughts and insights, so please feel free to share them in the comments section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals supporting each other on this manifestation journey. As we part ways for now, I leave you with the blessings of God in your manifestation journey. May your prayers be filled with clarity, faith, and divine guidance. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting your dreams and desires with unwavering belief. Thank you for watching.